Hey, how's it going, everyone? Fuck Malak here, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you guys on how to make 1k ruins every time. So basically in 10 minutes you can probably have around maybe 30k to 50k depending on how fast you go. But this is mainly for new starters, so you can probably get around 50k in 10 minutes. Which is a huge deal when it comes to Elden Ring. See, Elden Ring is probably one of the most difficult games when it comes to currency because you can't buy it, which makes this game not pay to win. But anyway, go ahead and get on it. So first things first, you want to have, do your first step. Okay, make your way towards the Church of Ella. Okay, and then you want to take this pathway. Alright, all the way up to the third church of Marika. Okay, if you don't know what it is, just look in the corner once you get the map. Go ahead and click on it. I'm not going to specifically travel to it, but kind of travel kind of, next to it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this road. The show on the road. Anyway, it has been a while since I last posted. I'm trying to figure out a schedule on when I should be posting. Hopefully it will go well next time. I do enjoy recording all these for you guys, but if you ever need help on anything else, tutorial wise, come to me, because just put it in the comment section, because I like to do tutorials. They do help me get views and all that stuff. I just like to help people out who are having trouble. So yeah, I would advise you guys, when you're doing this, take this pathway, because it will really help you on where to go, and you won't meet the ravine. Watch out for this guy on a horse. He really is not going to do anything. Make sure you have a horse to get there faster, and if you don't know how to do that, just once you get to the gate front, sit down at the grace, and a lady will appear known as a maiden, and she'll end up giving you this horse that you can use to travel. So if you can, try to dodge as many enemies as possible, so you don't get hit. Alright, take this pathway down all the way here. I'm just going to show you guys the entire thing, so I'm not kidding. So just keep following the path. You can go ahead and split. Just keep going straight from here, because then you end up meeting it. I would recommend placing a marker down, so you... Oh, actually, I might know what that is. I'm not too worried about it. But keep going all the way over here. Once you get to this, you should see this kind of busted up looking church. Alright. Oh, by the way, to get rid of a marker, instead of going to your map, just run across it, and then it'll end up disappearing. Once you get here, you want to go ahead and touch grace. You don't have to worry about resting. It should be like an item or something right in front of the statue that you can get. Anyway, you can run this way, which I'm probably what I'm going to do. Okay, take this little hole in the wall, run over here, run straight, and you should see some lines, blue beams or something like that, when it's your first time. Alright, so it should look something like this, and you'll see it's a little teleport. Click exam, and it will take you to another location. This location, on the other hand, is across the, across the right side of the map. So, which is, basically has to do with dragons, but yeah, it really does help. So we're going to head and let this load, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, as you see, it's called Grail's Dragon Barrow, however you want to say it. Don't worry about this guy. He won't attack you right away unless you attack it. As you can see, it's attackable. So really just dodge him. It doesn't really mean anything. But watch out for all these enemies. Go ahead and skip them, because you want to go all the way down to the bottom. So I'm just going to head and ride the horse all the way down there to get there. It'll be so much faster. And this goes for mainly lower levels, or people who just started the game. Even mages can do this. I will warn you though, with mages. Actually, no, everything should be okay, even with mages. Anyway, you want to touch this grace, okay? And after that, you want to run up to here, okay? Now, what these creatures will do is they can really take away a lot of your health. Like, they can one-shot you, okay, for you being so low. So what you want to do is walk up behind it, make sure you crouch and sneak and have your target on. Click your light attack button, which for me is RB, okay? As you see, my sword doesn't do all much damage. Now what you want to do is just start spamming them at the end to kill them. Look in the bottom left hand corner, I just got 1,094 runes. And you also get armor from this, weapons, you know, due to these guys. So you can look all the way around. Now I would warn you though, there are two guys together and 3 of them together. So I advise you just to skip those, but you're both on the left side over there. But after that, you just want to keep spamming them to make sure they stay dead, because once they get their attack ready, you will most likely end up dying. Okay, that does a lot of damage to you. So, as you see, now I'm using a bleed weapon. You can upgrade your... You can end up upgrading your swords, you know, your weapons at a blacksmith all the way up here, which I will show you guys in another video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, you know, and if you need any help with, you know, any tutorial towards Elden Ring, I'll gladly do so. Some bosses I have not completed yet. I ended up restarting my build, but the last boss I created was Rune, which is what I call her. She has to do with rebirth and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.